this video I'm going to show you how you can write a value as a product of its prime factors. Now the word product here means multiply or as a multiplication. So what we're going to do is going to write 140 as a multiplication sum using only prime factors. So what I suggest you do first is write out some prime factors, starting with the lowest. Now the lowest prime factor is 2. Contrary to some people's belief that it's 1, 1 only has one factor, and prime numbers need to have two factors, only two factors, 1 and itself. So 2 is the lowest prime number, followed by 3, followed by 5, followed by 7, then followed by 11, and again 9 is missed out there deliberately because 9 is not a prime number as it's got a factor of 1, 3 and 9. And I'm just going to write 13 there as well. Okay, now what I'm going to do is start with our number of 140, and what I'm going to do is divide it by the lowest of these prime numbers that I've written here that I can. So I'm going to start by looking at 2. Can I divide 140 by 2? Well, the answer is yes, I can divide it by 2, and that will give me 70. I ask myself the question again, can I divide this new number 70 by 2? Again, the answer is yes, so I divide that by 2 to give me a value of 35. Same question, can I divide it by 2? Well, this time we've got a prime number here, no, beg your pardon, an odd number here, so I can't divide it by 2 and get a whole number. So I then look to the next biggest prime number, which is 3. Can I divide 35 by 3? Unfortunately not, to get a whole number. So I go to the next lowest prime number here, which is 5. Can I divide 35 by 5? Well, this time the answer is yes. So I divide 35 by 5, which gives us a value of 7. Again, looking at the prime numbers at the top, can I divide it by 2? No. 3? No. 5? No. 7? Yes. Okay. And at this point, when you have the number in the circle the same as the number on the branch, if you like, then we stop. So now let's write this number as a product of prime factors. So 140 equals 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. Okay, and that's a product. In some questions you might be able to show it as in an index form. So what you need to do there is just, if you have any values that are the same here, you can write them in index form. So 2 times 2 can be written as 2 squared. If I had 3 2's there, so 2 times 2 times 2, I could write 2 to the power 3, etc. So what I'm going to do here is write this in index form now. So 140 equals 2 to the power 2 times 5 times 7. Let's just make that a little bit clearer, that power there. So that power there is 2 to the power 2. This technique we'll be looking at again later when we're looking at finding highest common factors and lowest common multiples of numbers.